Okay, this is Matt. I am going through uh, my genealogy um, e-draw. I don't have a camera at home, so I'm not taking video of me, but you know who this is. So I'll time 30 seconds here and tell you what I've been doing. So I've laid in some basic shapes here for this is my immediate family, mom and dad, and then my three brothers and my one sister, and then all of our kids on the next level. Um, I've started to play around with some connectors and some different features. These two exes, mom and dad, have both passed. Chuck has diabetes. Lisa and I don't get along, so that's hostility. Um, so that's some interesting stuff. I'll continue to play around with it. Let me pause. Okay, I have updated some of the features, just playing around with the symbols and the genogram. I put ages in there and birth dates and when mom and dad passed away and things like that. It's interesting. There's a lot of weird symbols in here for things that you wouldn't necessarily put in a genogram, I guess. I mean, health information and stuff like that. There's some real weird things. I guess if you wanted to keep it secret, you could do that, but there are some strange boxes in here that I'm not sure I would put into a genogram, but it's kind of interesting to play with anyway. And like some of these functions won't work now that I'm video recording, but I imagine it's kind of like Visio, and you can do a lot of this in PowerPoint by inserting symbols and things like that. So I guess what it's trying to do, and maybe it's drawn a pretty picture and some things that people would want to see. So, but I can see where it would take a lot of time. So it's interesting.